Most of my stuff these days is delivered from Amazon to my front doorstep, and it is glorious. And that means I don't have to physically go into a store. But on occasion, I have to break down, get my rear end in a car, and actually go to Walmart and actually go to Target. I live in Central Florida. I don't recommend you go to a Walmart like at 3 in the morning because even though they're open 24 hours, it can be a little rough. However, I've done it. You've done it. Maybe you haven't. Sometimes you just need something. Let me tell you, folks, what happens when you did all the self-checkout, your cart is full, and you walk out of there, you're loading up your car, and you realize, oh crap, I didn't pay for this water at the bottom of the cart. I didn't pay for this soda, etc., etc. Are you guilty of theft in the state of Florida at that point? And the answer is no, because under Florida law, you have to intend to steal something. So I know what you're saying. Well, John, I didn't pay for it. I walked all the way out of the store. Once I walked out of the store, aren't I guilty of theft? No, you're not, because you didn't have an intent at that point. You didn't even know that you didn't pay for it. It was when you got to your car and you realized that you didn't pay for it. Now we've got the come to Jesus moment where what you should do is walk it back into the store and pay for it, and then you are not guilty of theft in any way, shape, or form. But if you're like, man, I'm sorry, but the fourth quarter of the game's about to start and I got to get these supplies back to the party. I don't have time to go back into Walmart, back into Target. I'm just going to load this up and leave. At that point, you have committed theft because you know you didn't pay for it and you're intending not to pay for it at that point, and you are guilty of a petty theft. Now, is Target or Walmart going to take down your tag number and watch the video of where you walked out and then charge you later? Yes, I have on this hand how many times that has happened, but it has happened. More likely than not, I mean, nothing's going to happen, but I've had those cases where they've tracked the license plate, they've matched up the video, and you might be saying like, oh my gosh, just for a misdemeanor? These are loss prevention people at Target and Walmart, folks. This is all they got to do is to press charges on this stuff. This is all they do all day. They do their job sometimes, folks, and if you get charged with a petty theft or shoplifting in Central Florida, since '93 I've been handling these. It's a long time, depending on when you're watching this. I would be happy to help you out. Give our office a call. Also, I thank you for watching. You could subscribe to us. That would help us out a little. You could like this. That would help us out. And thanks for watching. Appreciate you.